For our warm-up activity today, I would like you to close your eyes and imagine a sunflower. Then I would like you to write 6 to 10 words that describe your sunflower. Grab a pencil and paper, pause the video, and let's begin. We are now going to write an account of the day in the life of a sunflower. For this activity, we are going to write in the first person. So imagine you are the sunflower, and that means the sunflower is going to be doing all the talking. Where are you? Describe how your day begins. Use small details to create a clear picture of what's going on. Use the senses to help. Describe the end of the day. You can take about 20 minutes to complete this task, but if you finish before or after the 20 minutes, that's fine too. Let's get creative.